Alright, what's going on, guys? It's a quick little video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I wanted to show you guys a quick little way to check something here. I was asked to do an O2 sensor. You can see it says O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1, heater circuit high. Just a quick little tip, if you are unsure of how to figure out which sensor you're looking at, obviously if you're looking into this, hopefully you would know a little bit about sensor 1 is always pre-cat, sensor 2 is post-cat. If you're just kind of having trouble, because this is a V6, I kind of took the cover off over there. I got some other work to do. If you just don't know which side is bank 1 and bank 2, quick little trick here. Find your easiest clip here that you can get to. Unplug it, right? So now you know you've created an issue with that sensor, because I know that's sensor 1. And then get in your vehicle, start it up. Alright. It immediately says O2 sensor, bank 2, sensor 1. And that's the one that I just unplugged. So quick little trick, if you're having trouble figuring out which side bank 1, which side's bank 2, just unplug the first one you can reach, and then you don't even have to have a fancy scan tool. You can use something like this little, well, this one wasn't quite as cheap. This was 300 bucks back in the day, but also because this one does OBD1, you can just have a little code reader, you know, for 50 bucks. You can have that, like, you know, one you plug into your OBD plug and you use it on your phone, something like that. It'll still tell you the codes. Just unplug a sensor that you can reach, and if it doesn't change, then you know that's the bank you're looking for. All right, hope you guys could use something out of this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.